Today we are making something magical, rice that changes color from blue to purple with zero food coloring and zero preservatives. It looks straight out of a fantasy kitchen, but it's all natural. Welcome back to the Yummy Vibes. Let's get started. We are starting with one small bowl of rice. Wash it thoroughly and soak it for about 30 minutes. Now in a deep pan or kadhai, add 3 bowls of water and let it come to a boil. Just a small tip, use the same bowl that you use to measure the rice, that way the water to rice ratio remains just right. Once it's hot, add 1 teaspoon of salt and the soaked rice. Now comes the twist. Ever wondered how to get that stunning blue rice without any artificial color? We are using butterfly pea flowers. I've placed them inside a tea infuser ball and we are going to drop it into the boiling rice. Slowly the color starts infusing. This gorgeous natural blue hue comes from the flowers themselves. No chemicals, no added flavors, just a beautiful infusion from nature. Let this simmer on medium heat for 6 to 7 minutes or until the rice is fully cooked. You'll notice the color gets deeper as it cooks. It's so satisfying to watch. Once the rice is done, open the lid and just look at that color. We'll now remove the tea ball. The blue rice is ready. But wait, there's one more surprise. Now add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice on one part of the rice and you'll see the color shift from blue to purple right in front of you. That's the power of pH reaction. Acid from lemon turns the butterfly pea pigment purple. No filters, no edits, just nature being awesome. We are planting the purple rice on one side and the blue rice on the other. It looks stunning. Perfect for a creative meal or even a kid's lunchbox surprise. Today we are serving this magical rice with simple dal and chutney and it looks so vibrant and inviting. If you want to try it too, I've linked the butterfly pea flowers in the description. They are food safe and super easy to use. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Yummy Vibes. Comment below, did you like the blue or the purple more? See you in the next video.